Hi! Good evening to each every one of you. Hold on. Finally, guys and girls, after 46 days, I may now be able to eat chicken meat. Join me for my late dinner. I have here a java rice and plain rice and roast chicken. Oh my gosh, finally! This will be my starting of eating meat. Any kind of meat. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Happy Easter yesterday, okay? Mm. Wow. So hungry. I hope you guys you did the same thing, okay? Don't worry if you didn't complete the day 46, the 46 days of not eating meat for as long as you still believe in the Lord and you still do good. Mm. Mm. So hungry. Mm. But for now, how about chicken? Mm. Bye. Java.